Says it's recording. Oh yeah. Trying to whistle and I can't. Yo, deer! Really? Are we armed?
No, we're not armed.
Voltage?
Voltage 12.5.
1.5. Alright, it's May 22nd. It's an engine test. It's a J800 1 grain. We're using a cluster fire igniter that we dipped in. And it's falling apart in the storage bag. So we're using that one, that igniter. We've got it against the grain. This was a CATO J800. ST or T? ST at Quad Cities in Ohio, Illinois. It CATO'd our Hyperlock 1600, and we're just mind blown of how perfect that the... Are you kidding me? Someone calling me wanting to sell me an extended automobile insurance. So we're gonna light one off here. Really don't know how it's gonna go. See, there is still a lot left in that engine. Have a great day.